Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a stop loss and take profit in MT5 mobile. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open the application and you gotta make sure that you are on a real account. For this tutorial, I'm using a demo account, but if you have real account, you can follow similar steps. So first of all, you gotta head over to the quotes tab here at the bottom left corner. And once you're there, you gotta choose the asset that you want to trade. So you're going to simply click on that asset and you'll be able to see the option of trade. So you can simply click on that, or you can click on new order. If you are on the real account, you'll be able to see new order option. So simply click on that and this will open the trading screen right in front of you. And you'll be able to see the order settings at the top, including the trade type and lot size you want to use. And just below those options, you'll find two fields labeled SL and TP. These stand for stop loss and take profit. To set a stop loss, tap on SL field. You can then use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the level higher or lower. As you make changes, you'll notice the level moving on the chart below, making it easier to see where your stop loss is being placed. Setting a take profit works exactly the same. Select the TP field and adjust it using the controls provided. You will see the take profit level displayed on the chart as well, while the stop loss level is shown separately so you can distinguish between the two. If you prefer, you can manually enter a specific price instead of using the adjustment buttons. However, if you need to move the levels by a larger amount, entering the exact value manually can be a better option. After setting both your stop loss and take profit, you can proceed with your buy or sell order and place the trade.